Traveling to Bahrain for business meetings, conferences, or corporate work? The Bahrain Business eVisa makes your trip simple. This online eVisa lets you enter Bahrain for business-related activities. It does not permit any type of paid employment. Everything is completed digitally before you travel. To apply, you must have a passport valid for 6 months, proof of accommodation, your return or onward ticket, and a recent bank statement showing financial stability. The process is straightforward. Step 1, submit your online application and upload your documents. Step 2, pay the eVisa fee securely on the portal. Step 3, once approved, your eVisa will be emailed to you. Print it and keep it for your trip. Standard processing takes 6 to 8 working days. Rush processing takes 5 to 7 days. Super Rush delivers approval in 4 to 6 days. You can check your application status online using your passport number and order ID. Apply for the Bahrain Business eVisa today and travel with confidence, knowing your business entry is already approved.